Here we have the Levi's jacket with the new collar on. As you can see, it's all worked out nicely. I've even put the coat hook back on there as well. If I flip it round, you can see, yeah, it's all stitched on nicely there. Got a few little threads to trim up here and there, but apart from that, yeah, it's looking good. The denim match was pretty decent. Obviously it's going to be very hard to match it 100% when it's been faded like this. Other option is, I suppose, we could have maybe sourced a denim, a vintage denim jacket and took the collar off that one if it was in good condition. But obviously with this customer, he was just happy just to get his jacket going again. He's had it for quite a long time. I don't know the specific date, but if you have a look at the buttons there, you can see. So if you've got a denim jacket repair, needs a new collar or any collar repairs, drop me a line. It's Michael at thedenimdoctor.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys, take care, thanks.